Welcome guys back to my channel. I just got off of work and I'm starving and I want something quick to be made, so I'm making me a loaded baked potato, okay, with the works. So I'm about to get started. I have my bacon over here in this pan here, and this is the bacon that I'm using, okay. I just want to feel like all that waiting a long time for it to cook because I'm hungry, okay. I had my potatoes soaking in water. So now I'm about to um, put them in the microwave. This is my microwave pouch. I've used my potatoes to put them in here. Okay. And these are the potatoes that I use. They was on sale this week at Kroger's for digital download. You get 4 in a pack, you guys, for $1.99. So that's like 50 cents per potato, and they are the big potatoes. They are real good. So I'm finna put my shrimp on now. The shrimp for me. Okay? So hold on, you guys. I'm gonna spray my pan with a little olive oil. Okay. Oh, wait. I forgot what I'm about to put on. Oh, okay. And here's my sour cream and some cheese. I got some more cheese I got to get out the refrigerator. So what I'm about to do now, you guys, I'm about to start my potatoes because I got 2 to cook, and I will be back shortly. Okay, you guys, my potato is hot and it's all done. So I'm gonna split into it. I got my stuff right here, my shrimp and my broccoli, guys. So I'm about to plate it up. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to my potato. I added a little butter. Ooh, this is hot, hot, hot. And mash it up a little bit. Add a little bit more butter. So you guys can see how it looks so far. This is piping hot. So now I got my butter incorporated. I'm about to add my cheese. Okay, now I'm about to add my shrimp and broccoli to it. more cheese on top. Add a little bacon, crumble up. It's gonna be so good, and I'm so hungry. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you before I wrap it up. Can you guys see that? I'm about to wrap it up, and I'm about to put this in the oven and some aluminum foil to melt that cheese down. Let me get y'all another look. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now.